My name is Brad Dede, and I'm a defense attorney here in the St. Louis, Missouri area. I came across something interesting that I thought that I would discuss with any potential clients, or if you have any legal problems you think you're going to be talking to a lawyer, and that is, what exactly do you tell the lawyer? How much do you tell the lawyer, and how do you tell it? The answer is you tell them everything. Now, the interesting thing about what I came across was that this particular lawyer was talking about, well, if you don't ask your client if he or she did anything, and you don't let the client tell you that he or she did anything, then you don't have to worry about any ethical complaints. You don't have to worry about breaching any ethical laws. And to me, that seems that the lawyer is only thinking about himself or herself and not really about the client. Not really concerned about whether or not putting the client in a bad light or bad situation or subjecting them to problems that may result in another action, but they're only thinking about themselves. If you know everything as a lawyer, you tell your lawyer everything. Let the lawyer sort out the facts and determine the method. Presumably he or she knows what they're doing. Secondly, don't engage in any magical thinking. Because you didn't say it, because you didn't talk about it, because it didn't come out, it didn't happen. Let me tell you a story about what happened. I had worked out a deal with the prosecuting attorney, and we were trying to avoid a trial. And my client had told me that he didn't have anything in his background except there was this little thing in California, but it went away. And so we proceeded on to dispose of the case. And you know what? Eventually it came out, found out that he had done 120 days in a California jail for something. I don't remember exactly what it was. But I don't know how you forget doing 120 days in the county jail. I don't know whether or not you wish that away or you just forget about it and it didn't happen. Maybe he was the object of bad advice, didn't understand, but it made a difference. That thing that went away became the fulcrum upon which the case turned. So tell your lawyer everything. It's confidential. It's not going anywhere. You're going to meet a couple of 3, 4, 5, who knows how many times to discuss the strategy for your case. You only get one time. There may not be any time to go through again. You may not get a second chance. It's better to know something and not use it than it is to not know something and wish you had it. So when you meet with your lawyer, tell them everything that happened. Let them sort it out. Let the both of you sort it out so that you can achieve the best possible outcome with the most information at hand. So when you meet, tell them everything, knowing that he or she has your best interest in mind and not that of trying to circumvent the rules in order to avoid a problem for the lawyer. You're the one sitting on the hot seat, and you're the one that the lawyer ought to be concerned about. So if you have any questions, give me a call at the number 314-725-9700. I'll be glad to talk with you, and have a good day.